Everything about you. Everything about you.
Hey guys, Chelsea here. Just a few things before we jump in. I want to apologize for the noise outside. We are getting a fence put in for our puppy. And another thing I want to say is there were no LUME cubes hurt in the making of this video. And yes, I know I can't juggle. Okay, let's dive into the LUME Cube Panel Mini, which could potentially replace all of your little light things that you carry with you as a photographer or cinematographer, or even if you don't have one, if you're more of a stand by the window person, which I used to be, you won't have to do that anymore because you can get the LUME Cube Panel Mini for I think only $60 or $59.99, which is $60. But anyways, yeah, let's see what's in the box and let's dive into those key features. In the box, we have the LED light panel, a silicone white softening diffuser, USB-C charging cable, and a DSLR shoe mount. It has dual 1/4 inch tripod mounts, one on the bottom and one on the side. It has a built-in intelligent LCD display showing brightness, color temp, and estimated runtime. There is an adjustable dial on the side for increasing and decreasing brightness and color temp. Now that you guys have seen what is in the box and key features and kind of how to use the Panel Mini, I wanted to tell you some honest feedback that I have from just being able to have hands-on time with this thing for a few weeks. And first of all, I want to say, wow, I love the size of it. It's so small. I mean, they say on the box that it's like the size of a credit card. I don't have a credit card with me, otherwise I would put a credit card up to it, but I feel like it is probably the size of a credit card. I mean, it's definitely smaller than my cell phone. So, just to give you a little peek inside of actually how big it is. To turn the Panel Mini on, you simply hold this blue button down for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. It comes on, and then to adjust the settings, you hit this same button to go either to the percentage of pretty much the brightness of how you want the light or the Kelvin. So you just hit the blue button, switch down to Kelvin, and then you can adjust with this scroll wheel up or down. Super simple, very basic, but intuitive at the same time, if that makes any sense. And then again, you just hold the same blue button down for another 3 seconds and it turns it off. As far as battery life goes, if you have it on 1%, I think they said it will last 18 hours. And if you have it on 100%, it will last an hour and 50 minutes or an hour and something, an hour and 30 minutes, something like that. To charge it, it only takes, I think, an hour or maybe under 1 hour. They do advise once the panel is charged to unplug it, so you will extend the life of the battery, which is inside. Since COVID-19, no one has been able to travel, and that includes me. So I've been doing a lot of photos inside my office here using the Panel Mini, and I've had really good results. As far as traveling with this thing, I personally don't know, but I can only imagine it's very simple. All right, I think that is all for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to LUME Cube for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. See you guys in the next one.
The indestructible.